So had to have a sacrifice a little bit. I'm at work and I'm on my lunch break, and I had to go pick up this one. So no lunch break, but I'm picking up the Jordans. That's how you do it. A little bit sacrifice. I just got home and I was excited to unbox this one. We only have 3 pairs, and this stops pick up on today's drop of this Air Jordan 5 Retro Raging Bull. So what's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today unboxing the Jordan 5 Raging Bull. So before we do the unboxing, I was kinda didn't go as planned on this one because I was working and I wasn't able to join all the raffles because I have a limited area that I need to go, because the only one mall is one close to my work is like a 15 minutes drive. So I wasn't able to go a different store to pick, so I won't be able to pick up the other store. Just in case I win, I won't be able to go there. So the only way is just join on one store that close to my workplace. Now with the other two, I have that my daughter's accounts. So what do we got? What are the sizes we got? So I have one size 10 here, another 10 and a half. It's my size again. Okay, so I'm trying to learn more things about this one because I knew the bigger size is gonna be more profitable, like 11, 12, 13 and 14. Those should be more profitable. But then another need to know that if you knew those are the profitable sizes, then a lot of reseller might gonna go on those sizes, so you have more competition. So the only way you could win, that's why I'm trying to learn it, the only way I knew is try to go the sizes, more available sizes, like 9 through 10 and a half. Those are more available sizes, and we already knew that this size is kind of less return. But hey, would you rather want to go get those 11, 13, 11 and a half, 12, 13 and 14 to make more money, but then the result is you take an else because those a lot of resellers are went to that particular size. So think about it. I'd rather go in a less return, and the percentage of me winning is more rather than else. So that's why I'm trying to learn this way, because the Jordan 1 University Blue, I went in for size 9 and 9 and a half on the first drop, and the second drop I went for size 10. So with that, let's do the unboxing now. Ooh, look at those. Look at that. Wow, nice. I like the color, but the bad thing, this might gonna look like gonna have a lot of something when it touches, something like that. Not really sure, but that must be gonna be the issue. Coming week there's gonna be another Jordan 1. So right now I'm just gonna reinvest all I have, and then next time I'm gonna keep one for the food. Right now the resale on this one are kind of somewhere around 315 and all the way to 324 right now on StockX. So go to 2, then I'm gonna hold this one for a while just to roll the investment. And then I also get a chance of winning on Sneakers app. As you can see right here, I got wins on this particular account. I really like this particular account because as you can see, I've been winning a lot. I've been win the Off-White, I've been won the Jordan 1 Court Purple, the Lucky Green, another Jordan 1, the Presto Off-White, Kobe's, and Jordan 1. I can't remember that one. I can't remember what size in this one. So, what do you think of today's drop? Is it good for you? Did you cop any? So maybe next time, the trick or tip that I've been doing right now, you could apply it on the next drop, like the Jordan 1 Royale. What's that? But hopefully we could win more, and hopefully you could apply this trick. So if you want to go for your size, then you can go for that size. But look for next time, stay away for those high price profit, because a lot of reseller goes there. So stay on the outside lane, stay on the lane, stay on your lane. Okay, all right, so with that said, I hope you like this tip and tricks that I've been doing, and I hope you like this video. And if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, mag-ingat po kayo. Bye.